It is highly recommended that you back up your data files on a regular basis in order to preserve them in case something happens to your computer. I know computers never crash, but one day it will, and when it does, you don't want to lose your EstiMate data. To back up that data, you click on the Management button and select Backup Restore Data Files, which will bring up the Backup Restore Data Files screen. The next thing to do is click on the Backup button, which will bring up a box in which you can choose the name of the backup file. Normally, you would save that backup file to a floppy disk, but for the sake of this demonstration, we're just going to save it to our desktop. Let's name this Our EstiMate Backup and give it today's date. And now we click Save, and you will see that EstiMate goes through the process of backing up all of your data files into this file we just specified. What it is doing is taking all of your databases and compressing them into one compressed file. Now that that's all done, we'll click the Close button, which will take us back to the main screen of the program. And we're done. That's how you back up your data files. If your computer ever crashes, or if for some reason you decide you want to go back to an older version of your data files, you can always restore any backup that you've made. To restore your backup file, you click the Management button and choose Backup Restore Data Files, which brings up the Backup Restore Data Files screen. On this screen, you click the Restore tab and then click the Restore button, which brings up a box for you to choose the backup file you want to restore. From our backup example, we have on our desktop a backup file ready to be restored. We select that file and click Open. And a warning screen comes up that says, "Are you sure you want to restore the data files?" And it says this operation cannot be undone. This is very important to understand that once you restore these data files, you will be working with the data files that were in that backup, whatever they are, and your current data files will be gone. We're going to click Yes, and there it goes, restoring our data files. It's uncompressing them and putting them back in the data folder for the program. And now that it's all done, we click Close, and we're working with the data that was in that file.